Welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Yeah, we can dig it. Alright, check it out, guys. It's a little raining out here. I put my hat on. It's bad enough I'm coming down with a cold already. But we got a 2010 Dodge Ram Van 1500. We're going to do the front brakes. Why? I don't know why. Customer said he took it to the dealership to get an oil change. They told him he needed front and rear brakes. So he just hired us to do the brakes. Just put the brake pads on. I said, no problem. Problem here is, when I get here, he asked me can I check them out. That's a no-no. If I have to check it out, it's 50 bucks. All right, simple as that. So we're gonna do the front brakes, and also what I want to do is introduce you to this. I went yesterday to Sears and got a brand new half-inch drive impact gun, $26.99, and I noticed this morning it's on sale $29.99. Look, they upped the price to $3. I went on YouTube and tried to find a review for it. Nobody had one. I do know in the reviews it was like 88 1 stars saying it had no power, it couldn't even take off lug nuts. So I went to YouTube and I couldn't find them. So I'm going to try it out now, and I want you to try it out along with me to see is it worth getting. The sale is still going on, so if it works, it might be a little tool you might want to hand as an extra spare in case your main one breaks down. You know, I didn't feel like going over. I want to go to Harbor Freight and get the Earthquake. I don't know how good that is. People saying it's good. It matches up to Snap-on. I don't know. I talk quick, don't I? Keep up. Yo, you got to make sure you stay subscribed to our channel because, you know, I just keep moving. just keep on putting videos up there for you guys, and you guys help me out and stuff like that. All right, we already got the vehicle jacked up, and that's a raggedy truck going by. Raggedy truck. All right, let me show you this air gun. Let me start to compress up, get some air going. But we gotta get this going before it really starts raining. All right. All right, over here, here's the box. Half-inch drive, supposed to be 400 foot-pounds. So we're gonna put that to a test, half-inch drive. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, here it is. Guys, I just put this thing on. I have not used this thing one time yet. Real quick, it's got a reverse, 3 speeds forward, 1, 2, and 3. Again, it's only 400 foot-pounds. Weighs only 4.2 pounds, 7,400 RPM, blah blah blah, whatever, I don't care. But 400 foot-pounds. We're gonna put this to a test right now. All right, and that rattling you hear, they say that's normal because you can see they got the little, I don't know what the heck they put the ball down there for, but all right, here we go. 2010 Ram 150. The lug size on these is 7/8. You know the compressor I got going on it. We got 150 PSI coming out of the compressor. A lot of people said it will not take off. I mean, you go there, look at the reviews. 88 of them with 1 star said it will not take off regular lugs. Let's find out. Put it on reverse. Let's see what it does. Oh, that did sound kind of cheesy. But it's taking them off. Definitely not 400 foot-pounds, I'll tell you that much. Definitely not. All right, there's our brakes. We're gonna do this real quick. Let's go over here. First, let's get the key to this. Let's take off the cap to our master cylinder. That's really low. Set it to the side. Let's turn our wheel all the way to the left. Let's get up in here. Where's the key here? There we go. Oh, you even gotta put the key in. Oh, come on, all right. All right, there we go. Let's go get us a C-clamp first. And then we got Okay, 13mm bolts. I'm gonna see if I can just take out the bottom one and swing it up. All right, so let's try that right now. Get a air ratchet. You can see that the nut right there turning, the slider as I'm doing it. So what I'm gonna do is go get me a pair of vice grips or something, and just to hold that in place instead of trying to find the wrench size. All right, and I'm gonna get the C-clamp at the same time, bare back. All right, dang it, forgot the vice grips. I got the C-clamp, got a big C-clamp. Be right, let me go get the vice grips. Dang it. Okay, got my vice grips. I just want to use that to hold this slider into place. Take the nether. Now, sometimes you can swing this up. Let's find out. I guess not. Okay, let's take the top one out. Okay, this time you can also make sure your sliders are moving like that, because if these sliders aren't working right, it'll put a lot of friction, a lot of heat on those rotors. All right, let's pull our caliper up. Okay, brakes are low. What we're gonna do is set the caliper up just like that. Let's make sure we can see this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is take out one of the old brake pads, set them like that. Now remember to have your master cylinder, the cap on your master cylinder off. Take our C-clamp. Put it in there, and then we're going to start twisting it clockwise to bring those pistons in. You might have to take it off and go to the other side. Just keep going back and forth. What I did was, see, I kept on tightening this up, and now it's bringing in that other side. And over here, let's make sure this side is in. Good. That's great. Now let's go back down this side, down here. And let's go get some anti-seize. Be right back. And the new brakes. Okay, we're back. Get yourself a little bit of anti-seize. And right where the brake pads slide at, just put a little bit right there. Alright, now we got our new brake pads. All of them are the same, but what you want to do is, this is the outboard. See these little clips on there? What you want to do is take these clips off and pop them onto the new ones. Sometimes, let me look in this box, no, but sometimes they will come with the new clips. Okay, then we're going to slide that right in there. Just like that. And you notice how that tab is on the outside, just like over here. The next we're going to do is pop that other one out. Alright. Put a little anti-seize on it. Get a new brake pad. Take these, pop those clips off. car up there backfiring, man. Piece of junk out here. Alright, now let's go in there and get these brake pads in here. Okay, they're in. There we go. Okay, they're all in. Simple as that. Let's bring our caliper back down. What the heck, man? Okay. Just like that. Get our bolts in. Okay. Tighten them up. Drag everything out of the way, and what I want to do is let's set you up and let's see how this gun does putting these on. I am not impressed with it taking the tires off, taking off. I mean, it did take it off, but let's find out how it does putting it on. Three speeds on this gun, so I'm gonna bring it all the way over. See what it does. This is junk. Pure junk. I am definitely gonna have to go over that with a this is junk. Don't get this gun. This thing is junk. Even for $26, man, it is junk. Please save your money. This is this is literally junk. All right, let's go over to the other side and get that off. Get that tire off. All right, I got my air compressor on. I was down to about 50 psi, so maybe that was it. Why the gun was doing that? We'll have to find out. Let's turn this wheel straight a little bit. Alright, it's still building up pressure. Come on, maybe it was the low air pressure. I'll give it another try. Let me go find out where I'm at. I know it's loud. Alright, that's where I'm at. Let's find out what this gun. Go back to reverse. got a lot of torque. While the compressor's going, we'll put it back on forward, and we're gonna go. Let's go to the other side and see how it tightens up those bolts again. Looks like this thing sucks up a lot of air. Alright. Let's turn our wheel all the way to the right this time. Alright, let me shut the compressor off and go over there and get our tools and stuff over here. Be right back. Alright, same thing. We got a 13 millimeter or ½ inch. We're gonna have to hold that slider in place. Whoops. I am not happy with that gun. I mean, I am not happy with it. But they were saying that it didn't take off lugs. One guy said it didn't even take off on a Prius. That's hard to believe because it did take these off. So we just debunked that myth. Pop these off. Okay. Alright, here we go. What's the next step? You got it. Take one of our old brake pads. Put it up there. Let's get our C-clamp. And let's bring that in. Switch over to the other side. Now sometimes when you're pushing down in this this piston over here, this one may start to slide out, but it's okay. Oh, another thing, make sure these pistons are going back fairly easy. If you have a difficult time pushing them back, something wrong with that caliper or that hose, and you want to check that out. Good to go. All right. Let's go back down here. Okay, next step. Grab us one of the new brake pads. Another thing, make sure your brake pads have that little anti-shim right there, that squeal shim. That'll stop this car from squealing. All right. Pop off our clips. Little dabber. Anti-seize. Put our brakes on. If it'll go on. Any day now. Man, these brake pads, man. You know, sometimes now that ain't gonna slide at all. You know, a lot of times you go ahead and get these cheap brake pads, and sometimes what you gotta do is you gotta take that part there, just take it down some. You know, this is why a lot of shops hate putting parts on that customers get, because sometimes you get inferior parts and you have a problem. Now, we would have did this, brake pads would have started locking up. Then they start blaming you for it. I'll try the other brake pad just in case. You know what? I ain't gonna sit here and do this, man. This ain't. See, that was the other brake pad, and it fit in there pretty good, man. Even that one's sticky, man. Okay. Little anti-seize. Now on this other brake pad, since I know it's getting stuck, what I'm gonna do, put some new gloves on. I'm gonna go take some of that off, but you can actually see it was starting to mark up. So we're gonna shave that down just a little bit. All right, be right back, and I'm gonna show you how we do that. All right, back. Get yourself a surface grinder. It's the angle grinder with the surface repair on the top. What we're gonna do is take our brake pad and take all that paint off of there. You know, technically, I could have left this alone. Hey. They want to get the brake pads, they want to get the brake pads. But I'm not like that, so. Alright. Let's get our shims and put them on. These shims are rusty, man. And see, if I would have got these from Fisher, they would have came with the new stuff I needed. This is all ball, man. Alright, let's. In there. I'm putting it backwards. I'm so upset I'm putting the brake pads backwards, man. I got no business doing this. No business at all doing this. Okay, it's in. Swing our caliper back around. Okay. Push our pin sliders in to get that caliper down there. Put our two 13mm or 1/2" bolts back in there. Get our air ratchet. Let's tighten these up. Done. Alright, now what I'm going to do is let's get our tire and set that on. First, you know what? Let me turn the wheel, make it straight. Where's our lugs at? Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm not really trusting this gun. So I'm gonna start back up our air compressor and get this as much as air as possible. Alright, you see, brake pads was low. Now when I asked them, well, they told me the rotors also. So our question is, if you step on the brakes and you don't feel no pulsating in the brake wheel, steering wheel, or the brake pedal, more than likely you don't need the rotors. I looked at them when I was out here, they look really good, and you've seen them too. Alright, let's get our gun on. Got it all the way to the side, all the way to the right. It's supposed to be 400 foot-pounds. Now you guys, you can hear this. You guys who got air tools out there, you can hear this. You know this don't sound like no 400 or even close. I mean, you hear that? And you notice I tighten the wheel up in a cross pad, like a star. You want to do that to make sure the wheel goes on evenly. Alright? This gun is junk. Now to a person who's I don't know, I can't even, you know, and I saw the video of a little bit of this gun on YouTube about, and it was from Craftsman though. Craftsman did it, and you guys gotta go check that video out. Hold at me, you know what? Wait a minute, let me get right here. All right, okay, you gotta check that video out because this guy was using this gun to tighten up and loosen up. It was like a 12-inch or 8-inch 3/4-inch bolt. But check this out, he wasn't even tightening it up. He was just bringing it down and then unloosening it. He was using no torque whatsoever and got nerve to say it was for automotive. This gun is not for automotive. I don't know if it's carpentry work, maybe, but this is not for automotive. I'll use it, you know, for now, and I gotta get me a better gun. One of the other reviews on the gun was, oh, yo, get this. He said it puts in screws like it's nothing. Screws? This thing better strip screws straight out. But no, see, it's got it on sale right now. We got it. It was $26.99, and then as soon as we got home this morning, we checked it so I can give you a price on it. It was $29.99, usually $59. Don't get this gun, please. If you're gonna in automotive work, don't get this gun. I'm gonna use it. It's gonna be as a spare for 26 bucks. Hey, and for $4.50, I got a little an extra 3-year warranty on it. I'm gonna use the mess out this gun. I'll replace it every time to get my money back. But this is not the gun. Seriously, this is not the gun. Craftsman, you screwed up. Get this gun off the market, man. Because I understand Craftsman got better ones out there, but if I got a bad experience with the first one, why am I gonna go to the next one? All right? I don't care how good they are. You're a Craftsman. That's you supposed to stand by your name, man. No. All right, guys, let's finish this job because we gotta go check out a expedition that has a antifreeze leak. And, so what we're gonna do here? You go up here, put your brake cap back on. Don't get in the car and drive it, because you don't have no brakes. So what you're gonna do is keep pumping the brake. Now see how the brake pedal goes all the way to the floor? You're gonna keep on pumping that brake pedal up till it stops. That's it, you're good. Let's let this car down and clean up our tools. Be right back. All right, there you have it. Front brakes on the 2010 Ram 1500. Again, we don't have no problem of if customer get their parts and all, or somebody wants to hire us to do a job. We just can't guarantee it. You know, you wash your hands of it at that. No diagnosing, no looking at, no do nothing. You was hired to do a job. All right. If they want us to diagnose it and check it out, then that's going to be a charge. All right. Again, stay away from that gun. Jump if you're in automotive. Even at home, man, stay away from this gun. This gun ain't no good. I gave me another one. This is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. We can't repair it. Nobody can. Len, Mike, Chris, Steve. You guys take it easy. Appreciate the commenting.